Hey guys, welcome back to Jaden Mower Man, the man with mowers, the lawnmower man. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a carburetor on this power washer with a Quantum engine, 6 horsepower, 2300 psi. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so first, there is 2 1/3 one of 5/16 bolts that are holding on this carburetor and air filter base. So we're just going to crank those off real quick. Let's take them off. There we go. Crank them off. Loosen them. Alright, perfect. Loosen them. And they are all 5/16 bolts. I would recommend using a power tool to help you get out the bolts because there's a lot of them. There we go. Got it off. Start our little air filter base there. This is our carburetor right here. Just saw underneath here. Check your gas tank for gas. We are bone dry. There is a trace of gas, so there may be some in there, probably not. I'm just gonna pull off our fuel line. There we go. There we go. Just gonna pull off our fuel line. Just let it drip a little bit. Not gonna be very much there. Just gonna hang up the fuel line up here. There we go. Now we got 2 10mm bolts we gotta take out on each side of the carburetor. They are 10mm or a 3/8 socket. Doesn't matter which one you use, just preference. Whichever one you pick, or whatever state you're in, whichever one is the right one for you. I use 10mm and 3/8 both. Well guys, if I didn't tell you at the beginning of the video, thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoy it. I think I'm doing pretty well. Let's try to get to a goal 150 subscribers. There we go. Carburetor is disconnected. Let me put a piece of ice bricks on these screw lines so it'll stop leaking. Wouldn't make this much mess. I just put a clamp on the fuel line. There it is. No more leak. Pull off our... Yikes. Let me grab that. There we go. Grab my bolt. Don't lose any of these bolts. It's one little linkage. Here it is. There it is. One little linkage. There's our old carburetor. Now we got our new carburetor. There it is. Just a same carburetor. We're going to take her, put our bolts back in, reconnect our linkages, set that up in there for the carburetor, put the carburetor where it goes, drill going forward, put in that bolt, now let's put in our other bolt. Oops. All right. Let's see here. There it is. Next one. Let's get this one. There it is. All in. Now we're going to get our fuel line and we're going to pop it onto the carburetor. Alright, got the fuel line put on, fuel filter and all that. Now we're going to grab our 5/16 bolts again. Same bolts we had last time. We're just going to take them and stick them back on to the carburetor. Make sure you didn't lose them. There should be 3 bolts. All 5/16 bolts. 8mm bolt. Alright, now at this point you can replace the fuel line if you want to. I'm not gonna because it's not needed. Take my top cover, put it back on. There we go. Just sits right back down on there. Perfectly right on top. Got your Phillips screwdriver, 2 Phillips screws on top. You're just going to screw those down. Just going to crank down here. There we go. And there we go. Now, the next step to do is check your oil. Put it on your air filter cover, put on your air filter. Fill up your gas, make sure your pump's working. Turn on your choke and all that crap. And you're good to go. Make sure you don't screw anything up. Put it all over on choke. Let's go try to start this thing. Alright, here it is. Gas in the carburetor throat, just a little kick. Maybe it'll help it start. Turn the door open. Let's try to start the same thing. Oh, almost. Oops, almost. One more squirt. It just needs to dang. Get enough prime that ain't stuck the gas in the carburetor. Wait a second. Oh! Sad gas, guys. Alright, well, it started. That's about it. Let's go get some dang crap. Alright, let's try this again. Gotta roll fill up with gas and try to start the same thing. Well, let's prime her, okay? Give it a little bit of prime. Maybe then it'll start up. It just, because the way this carburetor is set up is it needs a little bit of prime. Because it's a power washer engine, so it needs a choke. But if the choke, there's no gas in the carburetor, it needs a little bit of gas squirted into the carburetor so then it can then get a little bit of go. Try this. Ooh, almost. Almost. Try her again. Just keep on trying. Oh, ran longer. Try it again. Oh, longer. Alright. Let's put it on run and see if we can get it running. Oh. Put it back on choke. fumes. I didn't put any gas in those got fumes. Oh, well, that's about it. It started. See y'all next time. Bye.